Hello, my name is Paula Marcela Ruiz Nieto. I am studying my sixth semester of the bachelor degree in teaching English as a foreign language. I am part of the SEAD of Chiquinquirá, Boyacá, and this is the final activity for the course of Materials Design for Virtual Environments. I chose the topic Simple Future with will and going to forms. I have divided this presentation into three big stages. The first one is presentation, the second one is practice, and the third and final is production. In the first one, we are going to start with warm-up activities. We are going to watch twice an introductory video of the British Council Teams where students will see sentences and hear them in an actual conversation between young people, and they used the two forms sentences like I will call you later, I will come later, I am going to make a bike race, and so on, and they are going to hear them, their correct pronunciation, and etc. And during the second time, they will write down those sentences in their notebooks, classifying them whether they are with going to and with will, and these sentences are available on the video on red. So it's easy for the students to recognize and identify them. Continuing with this, we are going to make a table, a grammar table showing each form. So I designed this table. We have three columns. The first one is the form, as we can see here, future with will. Then we have the use. So future with will we use for predictions, like 2017 will be a great year. A spontaneous action, I will call you later, as here in the example, and promises, I will never forget you. The students will write all these examples and use it in the table that we are creating together on their notebooks. Then we have the future with going to, which serve as to talk about intentions or plans. For example, I am going to buy a new car, or I am going to study psychology, etc. Continuing, we are going to make a stage of practice around 20 minutes working with the video being a computer that we have available in the classroom, and some web pages that have very interesting and attractive exercises where we got at the end we got a feedback. So the first one is from the same web page, the British Council Teams that we used to watch the video, and the other one is from agendaweb.org, which is available also for free. And here in this agenda web we have very good options, as we have from in one section we have only exercise for going to, then we have exercise only with will, and finally we have both forms in the same exercise. Here I will show you some examples. Let me show you. These are some examples of those exercises. The first one shows, for example, here an image. This is what are they going to do? So we will be reviewing and practicing the be going to for plans and intentions, and we have different pictures and we have to choose. Here is a multiple choice exercise where we are going to select the sentence that best describes what we are seeing. Here for will we have some sentences, and we have to write down the verb and the correct form of will. Finally, in the production stage, we are going to make a homework, and the students will make a personal project about themselves. They are going to think about themselves, and they are going to use both forms to talk about things that they are going effectively to do. They will write 10 plans or intentions for this new year with going to, and 10 predictions for this new year using the future with will. They will hand out all the sentences with images on a creative and attractive PowerPoint presentation to the teacher, and I will correct those sentences. Once corrected and improved, students will present their individual project in front of the class, as we see here in the picture. The purpose of this is that they make a personal appropriation of the theories and the content that we have explained, and that they also practice their speaking skill. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you for everything you have taught us during this course. Thank you. Bye bye.